I'm now in my new apartment. I just moved in here yesterday officially, and I also just received my YouTube play button. So this is a quick unboxing video, and I'll show you guys the apartment as well. First of all, my first impression, it's pretty small and much lighter. I thought they would have like a little bulkier shipping and like for it to be cushioned on the inside, but let's just open it up. It's just taped on all sides, including the bottom. And now it should fold open. All right. All right, so what's in here? First of all, a little card which says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If the award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us." Then I have a signed letter from the new YouTube CEO, which is not customized, so it does not have my name on it. It just says congratulations basically. And here we go, my silver plaque. It's also much lighter than I thought it would be, but it still looks nice. So this is it right here. Beautiful. I don't know where exactly I'm gonna hang it up, since I don't have an office like in my previous house. So my setup is basically in front of the window with a nice view right now. But I might just put it on any of the living room walls here. Very cool. Other than that, there's just this and the box. So, just to show you guys my view, and here the plaque again. 100,000 subscribers. So here's the silver play button, and here's a complete apartment tour. I've shown you guys a little glimpse of it in the last video, or the video before the last video. So starting right here, coming in from the entrance, I have a little alley and kitchen to the right, to the left. I still need to get a couple pieces of furniture, like a table for here. The fridge was here before. This fridge was here. I'm gonna get a small square table because I'm here by myself. I don't need a big dining table. Kitchen is very meagerly stacked. I have a espresso machine. I just bought this rice cooker. I have a little pantry over here with a couple more things. But so far I'm not that well equipped. I also need to get a couch, move this somewhere else. These are all sealed bottles. I don't really drink any alcohol, so this is just for decor. My setup with the new mech I bought, my little aquarium with the shrimp and fish. I had Olivia in this box here, but she keeps escaping, so right now she's in here. Hello, Olivia. And outside, my beautiful view. Sometimes there's dolphins swimming by and you can see them come up with their back fin. There's also huge yachts passing here all the time, especially in the afternoon when they're going back to the marina, which is nice to look at. I have a couple of my plants here. These are pretty sun sensitive, but this is like a perfect location for them because they only get direct sunlight for like 2 or 3 hours. If I stand here, only when the sun is above this building and below the roof. That's when there's direct sun hitting here. So this is perfect. Also, I have a yoga mat here to do some push-ups every time I go outside. Then over here, this is the first bedroom, which I'm just using for storage. These are all empty suitcases. This would be the bathroom for whoever stays in this room, which I'm not using. I have a washer and dryer, and this is the AC and the water heater. And then my master bedroom. I told myself I'm not gonna sleep here until I get a bed, but now I'm sleeping here on an air mattress. It's not that uncomfortable. And over here, second bathroom and my walk-in closet. This needs to be organized better, or a lot of things discarded because I don't ever wear them. And all of this needs to be renovated, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just here for a couple months. So this is the whole apartment tour. There's a lot more videos coming soon, so please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you guys want to see something specific, a specific house or something here in Miami. Let me know and I'm gonna make a video about it soon. Thank you.